How to unblock someone on Discord. So if you want to unblock, then open up your Google or your Chrome browser and search for discord.com. After that, it will take you to the website of Discord, and make sure to log in. Click on Open Discord. Now on the upper corner you will have a Friends option. Tap on Friends, and here you will have a blocked option, right? So click on Blocked. So here you can see all of the persons that you have blocked or your friends. So for now I have not blocked anyone. So if you want to unblock someone, then you can just simply click on their profile, and then you will find an unblock button, and you can simply click on an unblock, and then you'll be ready to unblock your friend. So that's it guys, that's how you unblock someone on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.